Okay, now we have to figure out what the value of n is. So if we take a look at this equation, we can see that we have -3 being multiplied by what's ever inside the parentheses. So we're going to rewrite this equation by simplifying a bit using the distributive property. So we have -3 times 2n, which is -6n. And now we're going to multiply -3 times -3, or -3, which produces +9. Always be mindful of your signs as you go along. And then we're going to bring down 25 minus 8n. We're going to bring down our equal sign. And we're going to combine all of our n terms together. And we're going to combine our constants together. But we can't combine them unless they're on the same side of the equal sign. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to keep this -6n on this side. We're going to take the opposite of -8n and move it to the other side by writing +8n. Our constant of 25 is already on the right, so we're going to just slide that down. And we're going to take the opposite of +9 and move it to the other side, which is -9. Now we can combine our constants and we can combine our n terms. So we basically have 8n take away 6n right here, which is +2n. And now we have 25 take away 9, which is 16. And we have to divide both sides by 2. And that leaves us with n equals 16 divided by 2, which is equal to 8. Okay, so first thing we have to do is distribute this 7 and distribute this 3. So we have to rewrite our equation using the distributive property. So we have -7m, because -7 times m is written like this. -7 times -1 is +7. Now we have +3 times 2m, and that's going to give us +6m. And now we have +3 times -1, which is -3. We have to set that equal to 8. All right, let's go ahead and combine our like terms here. We have a -7m and a +6m. And that's going to give us -1m, or just -m. But let's just stick a 1 there for now. And then we have basically just 7 minus 3, which is 4. So we write +4 equals 8. Now we're going to take this constant of +4 and move it to the other side by subtracting 4. And 8 minus 4 is 4. And we're going to slide down this -1m. Now, you always have to get the variable by itself, but it has to be a +1m or positive variable, whatever it is. So to get rid of this -1, we just divide -1 by itself. Anything divided by itself is always +1. So we're going to balance our equation by dividing 4 by -1 as well. So on this side, these coefficients make +1, leaving us with m equals -4.